Hello folks and welcome back to the playground. Today we are working on, I believe, episode 9 of our flatbed build. I tell you every day what my goals for the day are, and I never seem to meet them. So I'm just going to tell you right now what needs to be finished on here before we can continue on. We need to get this back piece of angle iron on right here, which will complete the frame around the flatbed. We need to work on getting our brackets mounted for our warning lights. We've got to get some pockets welded on here for sideboards to slide into. We got to get the bat off the truck and finish welding up everything underneath. We got to get it painted yet. So we got a ways to go. I am happy with the progress. Like I said in a few other videos, it's just been slow going. So without further ado, let's get rocking and rolling. All right, first things first, let's get this on here. Get everything in place and lined up where it belongs. Alright, I'm going to do that. Wait, no, I don't actually. I think that's pretty close right where she's at here. Alright, I like the way this is looking so far. My corners matched up exactly how I wanted them to. Let's take a look at this. Alright. They came together pretty nice. Nice little 45 there. These should go, hopefully everything stays in place and they look good when they're done. So that's that side, and here's this side. Same thing over here, real nice. This one could have been a little bit closer, but it's pretty darn near where it needs to be. So, all right, let's get this tacked on. Everything seems to have stayed in place where we want it. So I'm just going to go ahead now and go back and finish welding everything up on here, and then we'll be back with the next thing. Okay, we got our back piece on. And this does make me happy because it means that something's been completed finally. So we have completed the outside frame of the flatbed. All the way around, it's good. And I'm happy that it's done. So what we're gonna work on next is our brackets for our warning lights, which are going to go down here underneath. So I will start getting these set up and cleaned up and ready to go, and I'll be right back to carry on with that project. Okay, so we're on the driver's side, right behind the cab here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start marking these out. I'm just going to kind of get in place. I'm not going to clamp them down or nothing. I want to get them where they need to be or close to where they need to be. I'm just going to go ahead and mark the back side here on all of them, all the way around. And then I'm going to come back with my sander and sand down where that line is on there, so we've got a clean area to weld to. So that's what we're up to now. This one is marked. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and go around the rest of the truck, get them marked, get my safety glasses on, and get those sanded off, and then I'll come back. Okay, I went on the truck, got everything marked out, so I'm gonna come back and just sand off these marks I put on there, and that's gonna give us a clean piece of bare metal, or a clean area of bare metal, to get some good welds on for these brackets. There's two, I think you get the idea. I'm gonna go around the other side of the truck, finish up sanding those two down, and then I'll be back and we'll start getting these tacked on. Tell you what, I don't remember where I got this from, this little hammer. I think it's probably Harbor Freight or something, but this has been the handiest little tool. It works great for just this little tapping and stuff to get things just lined up, you know, kind of a fine tuning type thing. So if you don't have a little hammer, get yourself a little hammer. These are some handy little hammers. So this one's in place, ready to go. This is what's going to look like. Again, we're going to have two more warning lights, one here, one here. I'm going to go ahead and get this tacked on, and then we'll be going to the next one. I am, of course, closing my eyes as I'm doing this. I realize I'm not wearing a helmet, but I'm not looking at the welder as I'm doing this. Okay, that one looks good. On to the next one. Alright, as you can see, I left this hang over a little bit right here. Now I can take my handy dandy little hammer and just tap this in. So it's right where I want it to be. Alright, perfect. Now I'm going to go underneath here and take a look at the bottom. Make sure the bottom's where I want it. It's close, but not quite exactly where I'd like it to be. You can see it, kind of hard to see it there right now. Oh, that's better, I guess. Now I'm going to tap this back some more. Alright, nice and tight to the back now. I'm going to check the inside edge again. That did push it out just a little bit. Alright, and now I'm happy with the way it looks, so I'm going to tack it in. Alright. Now that one's done. So on the other side, I'm not going to bring it with me because it's the same thing over and over again. So we'll be back. I also think I might have enough time today to try to start working on the pockets that I want to build for the sideboards. I probably shouldn't have said that because I'm going to run out of time. I'm going to have problems and it's not going to happen. But that's my goal at least. We'll get the other side done and we'll be back. Okay, we've got them all in. All four corners got them. There we are. Everything's in place, nice and lined up, tacked in. There's a view from the back side. We're looking good so far. Can I zoom in on that one? There it is, perfect. All right. Here's the other side. Back, front. They look good. I know the light's kind of messing us up on that. You can't really see it that well, but there we go here too. Up on top. Everything looks nice. And just as I paused the camera before, I said that I wanted to try to start working on those stake bed pockets for the sides to go on. And I no more than said that. I got a text from my mom. She invited us over for dinner, so that's what we're going to call it today right here. That's how we're getting done again today. Again, the progress it's happening. It's going slow. I'm going to have to start putting some more time into this because I need to get it done. We still need to get a plow frame put on it. It needs ball joints. I want to go through the front end on it yet. So we got some work left to do on this puppy, but hopefully in the next episode I'll get those stake pocket sleeves, whatever you want to call it, in there. And then we can get the bed yanked off and get everything finished welding up and get it ready for paint. So Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Enjoy yourselves, and don't forget to be nice to one another. We'll see you next time.